Interestingly enough, I was spending a lot of time to actually build stuff, but actually after you need to demolish stuff, right? What you build. So I did want to be an engineer and build new things. Caterpillar is a very strong name, so I got to know the name early on in my life, and I always look at those machines, yellow machines, every time I was passing by. And one point in time I've got my diploma, and then a show at the university, and basically Caterpillar was there. So I had the opportunity to talk with the recruiter, and I was, that's exactly what I want to do, and here I am. Well, demolition is, I believe, a very, very interesting industry. It's really the high-tech industry, if you will. You really need to have highly engineered solutions in order to be successful. And it's not only about one team, one machine, it's all together that can make it successful from a safety standpoint, from an efficiency standpoint, uptime standpoint. So to me, it's really a DNA of Caterpillar. That makes it very, very interesting, very exciting. It's a big challenge to take on what Gilles was doing. Obviously, he's a master in the demolition industry. I'm learning a lot as we speak, and I think I'm going to listen as much as I can from the internal experts, Gilles first, but not only all the teams that are behind demolition segment in Caterpillar, and obviously first and foremost from our customers and end users, so I can learn as fast as I can and really go to the next level from a demolition knowledge standpoint. He said, okay, listen to what the customers have to say. And I think that's a very wise statement. It looks simple, easy to do. Actually, it's not. Actively listening not only means that you actually listen, but you also take actions. You really try to understand what that means for them and how you can act on what they are telling you. And obviously, try to do your best to make your customers successful. So listening is really the key. I think that the inspiration that comes to me is really about the longer term commitment that we have as Caterpillar, and see how that industry is going to transform, what tomorrow will bring to us in terms of new technologies, and really how we can make those demolition job sites safer or safe, efficient. So that's really what bring the longer term technologies.